Welcome. If you've ever wished you could see the most relevant comments first on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make sure the best comments always show up at the top of your posts right from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look up to the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a list of all the pages you manage. Find the page you want to update and click its profile photo to enter the page. Once you're on your page, look for your page's profile photo again and click on it. This will bring up your page's main menu. Now, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings dashboard for your page. Scroll down the menu on the left until you find Follower and Public Content. Click on it. This section controls how people interact with your page and how content is displayed. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Show Most Relevant Comments First. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and enable this setting. Once it's turned on, Facebook will automatically sort comments on your posts, putting the most relevant and engaging ones right at the top. That's it. You've just made it easier for your followers to see the best conversations happening on your page. This simple update helps highlight thoughtful, interesting, and meaningful comments, making your page more engaging for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other page admins. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.